because this is the way the first impeachment complaint against the Vice President was filed. It was filed under the second mode. And we can remember during that time there were more than 200 members of the House who signed and verified before then Secretary General the impeachment complaint.
So kung gagamitin ng first mode, gugulong yung impeachment complaint independently dun sa nakasalo na Supreme Court.
You are correct, sir. Kung ang ipa-file na impeachment complaint is under the first mode, hindi supported ng one-third. Because by first mode, the complainant is either private individual supported by a House member or by House member himself. Hindi po magiging issue ang pendency ng MR before the Supreme Court.
Using that explanation, yung tanong ko referring dun sa Vice President sa article impeachment, kung i-apply yung the same explanation, with masabing rules, dun sa impeachment complaint for PBBM, mukhang ang crucial na laban na doon sa tatlong impeachment proposal.
Yun pong impeachment complaints against the President are all, at least based on news, dahil wala pa po ako nakikita kahit isa. I haven't received official copy of any of those. But basing it on the news report, it appears na ito pong tatlong impeachment complaint against the President. 3 impeachment complaints against the President are being filed all under the first mode. So ito po, first mode, mandatory dadaan sa Justice Committee.
Magulo na, guguluhin ko pa. Nung po ba kay Vice President Sara Duterte, meron din nakafile na impeachment under the first mode?
I haven't seen any as yet. Kayo po ba may nakita na? Wala pa po akong nakikita sa news. Kaya we cannot comment on that yet because as much as possible, let us not speculate. Sabi mo nga, sir, magulo.
Yes, sir.